Hello friends, myself Digan Gokadia. I am coming from the Matrushi Ramuba Tejani and Matrushi Shantaben Vidya Science College, which is managed by Sardar Patel Educational Institute. I heartily welcome to all of you on online tutorial. So today I will discuss SEM 3 of paper number 303 of unit number 1 Classical Mechanics. I will discuss what is mechanics, classical mechanics, kinematics, dynamics, motion, central force field, contact force, non contact force, bounded motion, and unbounded motion. Let us first understand basics of classical mechanics and its definition. So, we discuss what is classical mechanics. Mechanics is the area of physics concerned with the motion of microscopic objects. Forces applied to the objects result in displacement or changes of an object's position relative to its environment. Scientists such as Galileo, Kepler, and Newton laid the foundation for what is now known as classical mechanics. Classical mechanics deals with the influence of forces with the equilibrium of bodies when all forces are balanced. Classical mechanics is the basic theory of motion of object on macroscopic scale. Classical physics that deals with particles that are either at rest or are moving with velocities less than the speed of light. Classical mechanics has a two distinct fields, first kinematics and second one is dynamics. So we discuss what is kinematics. The branch of classical mechanics concerned with the motion of object with reference to the force which causes the motion. Kinematics is the subfield of classical mechanics that describe the motion of points, bodies and system of bodies without considering the forces that cause them to move. A kinematics problem begins by describing the initial conditions of any known value of position, velocity and acceleration of points within the system. Next, second one, dynamics. Dynamics is the branch of classical mechanics concerned with the study of forces and their effect on motion. Generally speaking, researchers involved in dynamics study how a physical system might develop or after our time and study the cause of those changes. Newton established the fundamental physical laws which govern dynamics in physics. By studying his system of mechanics, dynamics can be understood. Dynamics is mostly related to Newton's second law of motion. Next definition is motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding in given time. Motion is the phenomena in which an object changes its position over time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed and time. Motion along a line or a curve is called translation. Motion that changes the orientation of body is called rotational. In both cases, all points in the body have the same velocity and the same acceleration. Next definition is what is central force. If the force on a body is always towards a fixed point, it is called central force. Take the fixed point as the origin. The central force in classical mechanics is defined as the force that is acting on an object which is directed along the line joining the object and the origin. The magnitude of the central force depends only on the distance of the object and the central. The force towards the fixed point is known as central force. Now we see some examples of central force. Uniform circular motion, projectile motion, simple harmonic motion, force due to gravitation, nuclear forces, electrostatic forces, those are all are examples of central force. Next definition is central force field. Which field experience the effect of central force, that type of field is known as central force. Now some example of central force: gravitational force field, Coulombian force field. These are example of central force field. Next definition is contact force. These forces are involved only when two objects physically interact or touch each other. That type of force is known as contact force. Example of contact force is normal reaction from the ground on the ball and tension force, spring force, normal reaction, friction, air resistance, weight or force of gravity. These all are example of contact force. Next definition is non-contact force. These are forces that act between two bodies that does not require physical contact between the bodies. Some example like gravitational forces, electrical force. Next definition is bounded motion. In this type of motion, the distance between two bodies never exceeds the limit. Like example, motion of planets around the earth, motion of earth around the sun, motion of spring, motion of electron around the nucleus. Next definition, unbounded motion. In this type of motion, the distance between two bodies is infinite, initially and finally. Like example, scattering of alpha particle. Thank you.